We are going to make a simple recipe with sourdough, avocado, and broccoli sprouts. And important thing when you are using sourdough, it should be the minimum 4 ingredients. The sourdough starter, salt, flour, and water. If there's anything else than that, it's unnecessary. So get a really good sourdough bread. And the avocado needs to have a little bit of touch. It should go in a little bit. You can use a knife, but why use a knife when you have your hands? And you don't want to waste much, so you can scoop off anything that's left on the seed. Sort of scoop off everything that's in the avocado. Then you want to mash the avocado. And then you want to put it on to the toast. I think we might need another avocado. So you want to layer it on nice and thick. Nice, good, big pieces of bread. Then generous amounts. This is broccoli avocado toast, and it is delicious on sourdough, which if you are going to eat a bread, you want to eat a sourdough because it's coming from fermented flour. And you can cut this, you can slice it. This is pretty stout, so you can just eat it right as it is. If you want to make the broccoli avocado sprout toast a little bit more flavorful, you can add some of our sauerkraut pea sauce, and I do everything with this mix. I drink it, I serve it as a soup, I use it as a topping, and to really increase the anti-inflammatory, we're using some raw organic turmeric powder. And this is a dish fit for a king and a queen.